Hello everybody, it's Jordan Computer Scientist here, and today we're going to be doing a LeetCode problem. So I looked at my last video where I actually did LeetCode in it, and I saw that the first problem is what I solved. So I'm just going to be going in order, and there's 150 problems that I have to record. I'm doing a lot of them off camera, but I think I'm just going to make videos for all of them. So that means that I'm going to have some repeats because I know I did some in the past, but I'm not going to look at those videos. I'm just going to be redoing everything for my own purpose because, I want to become a better programmer. In order to become a better programmer, I need to be doing, this is my own goals. You don't have to follow me. I'm just documenting, but I'm doing LeetCode and I'm creating projects. And also, just another update. I know that I had a video about AI and how you should be careful how you use it. After that video, I started digging a little bit more into AI, and then I came across Claude, and there's been a couple of projects where I just haven't gotten around to finishing. So I think I'm going to be I am going to be experimenting with how I can create / modify these projects that I've been putting off and create new projects and kind of see if I can efficiently incorporate Claude within my workflow, learning / exercising my coding skills while using AI for the tedious things. Because obviously if there's an easier option to do something and it's right there, it's very tempting to just fall into that trap. But enough yapping. Let's get into the second LeetCode problem that I'm going to be doing, which is number 27, remove element. So this is another easy. Given an integer array nums and an integer val, remove all occurrences of val and nums in place. The order of the elements may be changed. Then return the number of elements in nums which are not equal to val. Consider the number of elements in nums which are not equal to val be k. To get accepted, you need to do the following things. Change the array nums such that the first k elements of nums contain the elements which are not equal to val. The remaining elements of nums are not as important, as well as the size of nums, and return k. So based on what I read, I'm going to be doing an int k equals 0, and I'm going to be returning k, right? That's just the basics, right? So return k, and then after that, let's go up here because obviously with these beginning problems, we're going to be doing a swapper function. So void swapper, and then after that, I have these empty curly brackets, but I'm going to have this here. And I'm going to be printing, well, not printing, but pasting that there, and then int_i, and I'm going to be doing an int_j. I'll do int_j because k is too many. Yeah, it's fine. Then we're going to do int_temp equals nums_i, and then we're going to make nums_i equal j, not j, but nums_j, and then nums_j to equal temp. Right now, after all of that is in there, we can go down and just create a basic for loop because everything needs a for loop. So for int_i equals 0, I less than num size nums plus I plus, sorry. So let me tell you the logic that I am going to be doing for this. So basically we have this array, right? And for this first example, we have 3, 2, 2, 3. So 3, 2, 2, 3, right? And the value that it wants to be removed is 3. So my logic is to have k and I equal 0. So they're both going to start here. And if nums_i does not equal the value, which is 3, then we're going to be swapping it. So right now it does equal the value, so we're not going to be doing anything. I is going to be going up, k is going to stay the same, and then next is 2, so then we're going to be swapping it. 2, 3, and now k is going to be where this is, and I is going to go up. They're still basically, they still don't match, so then we're going to swap again. Now we have 2, 2, 3, 3, and then it should pass. So hopefully that makes sense to you. So that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. So I said I'm going to be doing if nums_i equal, if nums_i equals val, then this is wrong too. It's supposed to be does not equal. Then we're going to be doing swapper nums, num size, I, and k, and k plus plus. And then we're just going to return k. So this should pass, which it does. And then I submit everything, and we got it. So yeah, that was actually a pretty quick problem. So, what I'm doing is I'm recording these videos of what I've done during the week, and I'm obviously going to be behind. So I might be like 20 problems ahead, and just going over what I did just for the camera for deeper understanding, the Feynman technique. But yeah, with that being said, I appreciate all the support that I have been getting. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I guess you can follow me on Instagram. My name is Jordan the Polymath on Instagram now. It's kind of a new concept where I'm recording everything that I want to be good at for Instagram and only focusing on computer science for the YouTube. So I don't know how long that's going to last, but you can check me out over there. I got 3 videos up, and I should be posting 3 videos every week from here on out. Don't forget to join my Discord. The link is in the description, and I'm going to see all of you in my next video. Thank you for watching. I'm insecure still.